UV is a Python package manager. You can use it to create and manage Python projects as well as Python installations. These are the methods you can use to install UV. To find the page, all you have to do is to search for install UV. The first one, this one related to Assault Docs, is the page. We are going to see the two easiest methods to install UV on Windows. The first one, we are going to use PowerShell. All you have to do is to go to the installation documentation page, the first one related to the standalone installer, and click on the tab Windows and copy this command. Open your PowerShell, paste the command underneath. So you will download the script, the installer that will download and install UV. This is important. When you use PowerShell, you will have this part of installation, the user folder local bin. The second method, we are going to use pip. Open the command prompt and then pip install UV. Of course, you must have Python already installed. You cannot see it here, but this installation will have another installation path. We are going to see how to update UV according to the installation method you used. If you installed UV using the first method, to update it, all you have to do is to run this command UV self update. You are updating UV using UV itself. If you install UV using pip, you will use it to update it. All you have to do is to run the command pip install --upgrade UV. And UV will be upgraded. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.